Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer and I am currently on my weight loss journey, and I am filming this video now because I just got the Alani new protein bars. Yeah, I just got the new Alani new protein bar flavors in the mail, and I have been hearing so many good things about this flavor. Now, I've talked about these bars on my channel before, so I'll link the video for you somewhere if you want to watch that. But this is a new flavor called the Munchies, and this is like pretzel, caramel, and cookie dough, right? It's like pretzel, caramel, and cookie dough pieces like inside of the bar. And I have been seeing so much hype around this flavor everywhere, like all over my social media. So I decided to film this video and try the bar on camera for the first time and give you guys my real reaction to see if the hype is real. So let's see what the hype is about. So the box is super cute, and this is what all the bars look like. Hopefully they're not all melted because it's been so stupid hot outside. Okay, so it's all the nutrition facts are the same: 170 calories and 16 grams of protein. I'm scared. I think it's melted. This Texas heat is no joke. It's definitely melted. I'm making a mess, but okay, so I online I see that the bar is a lot prettier than this, so it doesn't look that pretty, but here goes nothing. Oh my god. This is really, really good. This really is like, I have all the other flavors. I think there's like 4 of them. And this has easily just taken like the #1 spot. I probably have chocolate all over my mouth right now. This is really good. As soon as you bite into it, you can really taste the caramel. And you get some like saltiness from the peanuts. Or from the pretzels, not the peanuts. You get the saltiness from the pretzels, you get the sweetness from the caramel. I don't really taste any cookie dough in here, but the inside looks really good. Like, I see pieces of pretzels in there. And I don't know if like the top part is supposed to be like cookie dough. I have no idea. Mine came like really melted. This is really, really good. And it's still 5 points on the Weight Watchers program. So yeah, I think this is really good. Like 10/10, highly recommend. I was really surprised. I wasn't expecting it to be that good, because usually when people hype things up on social media, it's just like, whatever, it's probably not even all that great. But it is really good. I actually really like it. Sucks all of mine came melted, but it is what it is. It's really, really good. Packaging is so cute. I'm all about the aesthetics in the packaging. I really feel like I have chocolate all over my mouth. Alright, but that is it for today's video, you guys. These are really, really good. If you love the like sweet and salty, you're really, really gonna love these, because you can really taste the pretzel and you can really taste the caramel. I couldn't really taste like the cookie dough that's in there. It's not too sweet. It's got like the perfect amount of chocolate, because only the top part of the bar, like the outer part of the bar, is chocolate, and the inside to me is like more caramel, more pretzel. So this is easily like my #1 flavor. #2 is gonna be the chocolate cake, and then #3 is the fruity cereal. 4 is probably confetti cake, and then blueberry muffin. Blueberry muffin, that's all right. Like the confetti cake and blueberry muffin, I won't repurchase those. But I got 2 boxes of these when they launched, and I'm really happy that they did. This is really, really good. Like if you have a sweet tooth and you're trying to lose weight and you want something sweet but not too sweet, definitely get one of these. It's a protein bar, so it's going to keep you full for a long time. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, don't forget to check out my review on the other bars. I'll have it linked for you somewhere. And that is it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.